This video is gonna get you bullish on XRP. If not, then get away because I'm buying you XRP tokens. What's going on, guys? I want to show you this awesome clip from Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple. I also want to take a look at what happened earlier today when it comes to the FOMC minutes, right? The Federal Reserve, because we're bullish, man. No matter what's going on with the price when it comes to crypto, Bitcoin, I'm looking at all the points right now for you, as you know. But we're still in this downtrend as far as the price goes. There's many news that we have discussed in the last 24 to 48 hours why people believe that we're going lower, and I'm ready. I have cash in hand. But guys, $50+ million traded by whales in the last 24 hours, like 100 million XRP tokens. I mean, if people are selling their XRP because they're kind of let it scam, I gotta tell you, somebody else is buying them. Somebody else is buying, and I bought, and I have money to buy more, but I'm greedy. I want to get much cheaper prices. Then the president of the ETF store, he's saying it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Another XRP ETF application is coming. And what Brad Garlinghouse said, which we're gonna go to and take a look at his profile, inevitable, another one. So I think everybody's really happy. So this is the Fed Minutes Live. This is what happened. And next week, guys, we're going to be seeing the CPI data, which is going to add to the fire to hopefully see much bigger prices. There's different ways to spin in this, right? But I think bottom line, have a nice big picture view of the market and buy the dip as soon as you can. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Very happy to have you back. As always, let me know in the comments down below how you guys are feeling, XRP holders. Trying to bring you the latest and the positions here on Margex. First link down below, as I'm waiting for some levels so I can entry and have an amazing positions, right? Because I want to have long term, but as I'm looking at the markets, I cannot identify patterns that tell me, hey, get out for my trading and keep buying for your long term. That's what I've been doing, guys. So super, super happy. With no further ado, sit down, relax. This is going to make you bullish. This is Brad talking to all of us about XRP.
Crypto is helping transform finance businesses today in a few different ways. And I think one of the challenges for the industry has been to focus on solving real problems for real customers. And Ripple, obviously, from its earliest days, focused on the problem around cross-border payments. That's a point of a lot of friction as measured by speed and cost. And by focusing there, we've been able to have a big impact on that, relatively small piece. But I think over the next years, you're going to see many financial transactions where a middleman sits, a middle transaction, an intermediary. Those will get removed, and we'll use blockchain and other digital asset type technologies to remove that friction. And I think all of society will benefit from improving the efficiency of those systems. I think you'll see that. Certainly, you've seen it in securities settlement as an opportunity. The financial transactions around bonds, around derivatives, a lot of these things take a while to settle, and the friction associated actually holds back the industry. Insurance is an industry I think you're going to see touched. Trade finance is an industry that really Ripple, some of our customers have invited us to participate in. And you've seen experimentation around identity in real estate and title management. And these are all examples where I think it's so hard to predict where this will go, in the same way that 25 years ago, when I first got involved in the Internet of Information, I never could have predicted on my smartphone I'd press a button and I'd have a car picking me up minutes later. I think this will permeate lots of different parts of our society.
So guys, cross-border payment is a big deal. And we have discussed here on the channel how people, bullish mega CEOs who are very likely to be those multi-billionaires in the next 5 to 10 years, they wonder how a 10, 30, or 50 trillion network on XRPL can obviously facilitate the price go much higher. And a lot of people say $10,000 XRP, $1,000 XRP, $100 XRP. Nobody knows really where things are going to go, guys. But if we assume that Bitcoin is going to be at least $500,000, not me, but Michael Saylor and other different people, Katie Wood, and those billionaires, then why not trusting the next Bitcoin, as people oftentimes referred to XRP. But we'll see. History will show us, guys, how we do it. In my case, my goal of 100,000 XRP is still ongoing, and I'm getting there closer and closer. So right now we're seeing a 4.71% down in the volume. We're seeing 1.14% down in the market cap. XRP is still hovering the 50 cents. If we get 49 cents, I'm going in with thousands of dollars buying XRP. It is not a matter of if I'm getting, it's a matter of I am going in with thousands of dollars. I'm not going to waste this time and just let it fly by. That's why I'm kind of like holding, because tokens like XRP, any cent down, it really implies a bunch more XRP tokens that I can buy. All right. So FYI, guys, this is pretty cool. Another ATF filing approval, a matter of if, not. It's a matter of when, guys. When, not if. And if we go to Brad Garlinghouse right here. Oh, I got it right here. He said this one, it's happening again just yesterday, right? So I'm very, very excited. I thought he was going to mention something about crypto.com getting the Wells notice and they suing the Ripple. I'm sorry, suing the SEC. But he didn't say anything here on X, probably, maybe. I mean, I'm assuming, right? Because it's super cool and refreshing to hear another big crypto company suing the same agency that has been hanging you, kind of walking over you for so many years. So definitely we want to see more people collectively holding and fighting the SEC. As I'm saying right here, it's day 2 of Crow versus the SEC. And a few days later, I said, you know, it's now Coinbase, Ripple, and now crypto.com versus the SEC, which is pretty crazy. So I'm using here my PPF, past, present, future indicator, guys, which it tells me really, hey, it's time to sell for trading. Do it. So that was October 1st. Looking at the 4-hour chart, this is the price of XRP. So pretty crazy, right? To see how it really works and you save yourself a lot of money in trading. Or if you want to short, then you're definitely making tons of money, because that is about 20% close where you could have taken profits, and there you go, we're making money. So take a look at the second link down below, guys, in the description. It could help you out if you're looking for an opportunity. 30 days risk-free, and it really makes a lot of sense right now where we're seeing decent volatility. Once we get into that bull market, oh boy, it's gonna be so fantastic, and I'm gonna be very happy. We also have this 100 million. So earlier today, a whale alert reported that XRP will transfer 100 million tokens. Crypto tracking service said, allegedly, looking, these wallets belong to the same XRP holder, $53 million, guys. So they do not leave any impact on the price. As mentioned, whales transfer between their own wallets for strategic reasons. So none of them were sold. It's just transferring assets. Like as I transfer from an exchange to a wallet or so, if they're not cash out to a different, or like a stable coin, then they're not sold. The price remains the same. So interesting, right? People still want to keep their XRP, and that's really cool. And what a lot of people wanted to hear, and what a lot of people are kind of like waking up to, saying, okay, what happened, guys? Positive for the markets, meaning that a significant amount of people in the FOMC meeting said that they wanted to cut the rates by 50 basis points, right? Many also said at 25, just kind of keep it a little bit more gradual to normalization, but they did 50 in this September. And we have heard that they're looking into another 50 basis point cut as we end this year, 2024. So we have a few more, guys. Not only CPI data, we have October, November, December, but I believe we have 1, 2 plus 2 tops FOMC meetings, and that's it. And those could be really good to cut rates a little bit more, and then that's it. The year is gone, and you and I may have a decent bull market, because know that in less than 30 days, we also have election. So it's getting very good. Like I said in one of my previous videos, we have a $4+ billion coming sale by the US government because of the approval by the US Supreme Court. It happens, but we'll see at the end of the day. Things are changing so fast, but I'm adding the XRP. Some of you are selling. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Get on Marchek's $10,000 welcome bonus. First link down below. Peace.